All right, today we're going to bring a dog cone collar. Now, this one is for larger dogs. If you guys can see, this guy's a large dog. So if you guys get any kind of surgery for the dogs, or maybe something infections or something that he keeps scratching or chewing, you want to prevent that, now this is probably it. Now, they can see with this collar, right? Not like the other ones that they cannot see. It's very it extracts their view and so forth. So on this one, I like it because it's a large one. And on top of that, they give you extra Velcro ties, so you could tie it up with your existing collar if they have a dog collar too. So this works with or without the dog collar. If you don't have a dog collar, you could always run a string around the whole thing and it ties it up. All right. Now this thing, they're going to be able to drink water and eat from it too. That's what it's made for, right? So let me show you how to put it together. We're going to put it on Toby, the volunteer, and show you how it works. All right. If you guys can see, this is a large collar, so you're going to be able to feed him and give him treats. This thing goes inside, so it could be able to drink water. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, let me give him a cookie right now. Look at this. I'm gonna put this cookie on the floor for Toby, and look at that. He's able to get his cookie and eat and drink. So if he's able to do that, he's able to easily too. And I'm gonna show you again one more time. On the floor, look at that. He's able to grab the cookie. That's just a little demo of what this collar can do. So he's able to drink. He's able to see around him. He's able to eat without disturbance. Now, this collar is huge, long circles for any kind of bowl. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So I brought his bowl here. So if you ever give him water, and I'm just going to put a treat there so you guys can see. So he's able to drink and eat from the bowl without disturbing his collar in the... All right, so that's one thing you can do, which I like. Look at that. I even dropped it and he got it from the place. So if you guys are looking for a great collar for any dog that you have pre-surgery, or you're going to have surgery on your dog, you want to prevent him from scratching himself, this is it. Hope you guys enjoy this video.